Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be giving you guys the reveal, the empty apartment tour of my new studio apartment. I'm back in Busan. I'm really happy about it, and I was somehow able to find an apartment right on the water. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys the empty apartments. I'm going to give you a little fair warning. It is not dirty, but it's not clean. So I have cleaners coming tomorrow morning, but at the same time, like, my stuff is gonna be dropped off here. So I figured right now is probably the best time for me to film this empty tour. So I'm just gonna show you guys around. It's gonna be really, really brief because obviously I wanna decorate it and I wanna give you guys like a full apartment tour. Before I start, I did just want to give you guys the lowdown on how much this place costs because I feel like that's a really common question. So this place every month is about $500 US. And the deposit, which you get back when you move out, but the amount of money I had to put down is $5,000. So $5,000 deposit and about $500 every month. It is a studio. It's a lot smaller than my old house, but I'm not gonna lie, the vibe feels so much better to me. And when I'm living on like the water, I don't feel like I need a lot of space. So yeah, I'm really excited. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just get started. All right, so you walk in and here's the little area to take your shoes off. I am wearing my shoes in the apartment right now though because the floors are really dirty. So until they get cleaned, these shoes are staying on. But you walk in and you'll notice there's like a ton of random stickers and stuff. We're going to take all those off, don't worry guys. So you walk in and there are some cabinets over to the left. Just basic storage cabinets. I was really excited to find a place that had as much storage in the front as this place does have because it is just like a standard studio office-tel, and sometimes it can be kind of hard to get office-tels with storage. There's plenty of room, and then over here to the right there are more closets. So we have lots of space in here. I don't know what's going on with the shelves. I think I need to put some of the shelves back on here. And this one. And then moving on, there's some more closets. So this one, I already put my jacket in here, but tons of room for clothing, which makes me so incredibly happy and relieved. I might get some kind of drawer system for down here, but there is like a pole for me to hang clothes if I want to. Moving on over, there is a nice big mirror. So I have a mirror in my apartment already. I'll probably get a leaning mirror as well, but it's really nice to have this. I love having a mirror right as you walk out of the house. And here is what this closet looks like. So I have another really big one. Oh my gosh. I feel like when I toured this place, I barely even looked at it, so I don't even remember seeing this when I toured it, but I also have some drawers. I don't know if the camera's picking up, like this is, oh, there's so much hair and it's so dusty. Then to the left is the bathroom, and yeah, the bathroom needs some work, but it is a full Western style. So I have like the door that can close and got a little shelf in there, some mirrors, medicine cabinet, and maintenance is gonna fix the broken light bulb in there tomorrow. And toilet. Yeah, it's very, very, very standard bathroom, just about the same size as my house in Seoul. And then when you come out, I am back to my built-in fridge, you guys. You guys know I have a thing about fridges and I love built-in fridges, so I'm very happy that we're back to a nice built-in fridge. It's like the little things, you guys. Not really sure whose idea it was to put the cat sticker on here, but she's cute. All right, I'm gonna give you guys kind of the reveal, I guess, of when you walk in and what you see when you look out the window. So I'm actually not gonna show you guys from here over because there's a company logo and I don't want you guys to see that just for privacy reasons. But I don't know if you guys see what I see, but we got some motion. All right, so to the left is my kitchen. One of the reasons I really liked this studio in particular was because it comes with a partition, which actually makes it its own little kitchen area. So what I'll probably am gonna do is get some kind of, actually I did already order it. I ordered like a kitchen counter island type of thing. So as you can see, there's literally no counter space over here, but we're gonna combat that with our own little island. But yeah, it's funny because I actually stayed in an Airbnb in this exact apartment building a few weeks ago, and I really like the way she set it up. So I'm kind of just gonna copy the girl whose Airbnb I stayed at. But yeah, here is our little kitchen. Very, very basic, a lot smaller than my old kitchen in Seoul, but we're gonna make it work. It's not about size. If I learned anything about living in Seoul, it doesn't matter how big your apartment is. All that matters is the vibe, to be honest. But anyways, you keep going, and here is my main living area. So just to give you guys an idea of like the space, it's really hard to explain it. Maybe I can actually take measurements so you guys can tell. But I mean, it's a studio, guys. It's small. This is not the smallest place I've ever lived because I've had smaller apartments than this, but it's small, but we're gonna make it work. I'm really excited just to have a little cozy, humble abode, honestly. I want you guys to comment below and let me know, if this was your house, how would you set it up? Where would you put the bed? Where would you put your table? I'm gonna have a little eating table and like a TV stand. I came today with just my suitcase, so the movers are coming tomorrow with all my stuff, which is why I have like nothing. And then this is just like the part that I can't get over, and I feel so grateful, is that I have the beautiful beach right here, which makes me just like, oh, so happy. It's so gorgeous. And if you watched any of my vlogs last summer, oh, do you see the boat over there? If you watched any of my vlogs last summer, this was literally my spot I would go to from like 9 to 6 every day. So I'm really excited just to be living at my happy place. And the weather today is actually so nice. It's like 50 degrees or something like that. It feels really warm. But yeah, I'm not gonna show you guys like the full view out this window just because of privacy reasons, but to give you guys an idea of how big the window is, it's kind of like your typical office style window. There's like 3 panels, and then there is a random door right here, and this just leads like to the aircon thingy, and my air conditioner unit is up there. So when you're standing in the corner by the window, this is the view you see. Did you guys ever expect me to move back into a small studio? Honestly, I was never against it. I just didn't expect it. But, you know, that view. All right, guys, so that pretty much sums up my apartment tour. I think I should probably do a video talking all about how you can move in Korea and how to find an apartment as a foreigner. But if there's one thing I want to let you guys know, it's that things in Korea move incredibly fast. I only decided that I wanted to move into this apartment 1 week ago, and it's mine from today. So literally you can just go to an apartment building with a realtor. If you like an apartment and there's no one living in there, you could probably move in literally the next day. As long as you have the money to put down, they really don't care. And I met my landlord today, and she was really, really nice. I love being able to like meet the landlord in person. Oh, and there's one thing I didn't show you is over here. This is the little telecom thing. If you have a visitor, you can let them in. And then light switch. It's a little bit like low-key broken, so I should probably get that fixed. And this is the floor heating and the water heating. But yeah, please, you guys, let me know, what are your decor ideas? I think I'm gonna like hang a white linen, not linen, but like white curtain down here just to brighten up the partition area.